Tapos kung magsalita ang mga anak, ang magsasalita naman po kayo ang mga pinsan. Magkasimula po tayo kay Neo.
Good morning po. Siguro I would just like to represent the Uy family in Pandacan. Hindi ako ninervous tungkol sa akin, pero it's different when you UBG pala. I would say that this family, this family is really special to the Uy clan because from kay Papa Boy pa lang, they're like the gel that binds this family. And nung passing ni Papa Boy years back, I think it's si Ninong, he took this huge responsibility of making sure that there's still that clan, the Uy clan that I'm talking about. And after this, when it's not easy taking that role. And now, hindi ko alam sino yung magpapasa or magsasalo ng responsibility na yun, but it's really, really huge. And I know that Ninong did a great job, doing that part for every one of us. The reason why we're here because we'd like to celebrate his life, his legacy. The reason we are the people we are today is because he was part of it. It will not be special. The life that we have is not special. Will never be special without him being part of it. Lahat ng natutunan natin, lahat ng kung sino tayo ngayon, lakas, sakit, saya, paghihirap, triumphs, lahat yon kasama yung mga tao na kasama natin, kinakapitan natin. And in the past years, I know Ninong, si Dodong, si Remar, did a great job in doing that. So, we are thankful for this life because he was part of it. And actually, mali pa lang, he was part of it. He is part of it because I know even after this celebration of a new life for Ninong, kasi he will be living a life of eternity with this Creator. He will continuously live in our hearts forever. And I know, especially for the children, I know the guidance, the learnings more than siguro dun sa mga napagdaanan natin. I know you will learn from it, matututo kayo dun sa mga nangyari, and you'll become better person. So, we thank you, Ninong, for all the things that you have shared to us, showered upon us, the joy, the memories, and the laughter. And we know that when we come to the date wherein we will meet you, you'll be there welcoming us, open arms, because we know that especially your children make you proud. So thank you for the life, and thank you for the wonderful memories that we have shared together. It's time for you to rest now, and thank you very much for everything. Thank you po.
Susunod naman ko lang magsasalita ay si Mac.
Mark po, Mac, for short. Anak ko, bunsong anak ni Beo. At yun nila ang laging sinasabi ni Kuya Remar na pinakamatuli sa pool. Siguro very quick memories lang or bakit ako nahilig sa basketball. It's not about sa mga kuya ko, hindi dahil sa tatay ko, hindi dahil kay Uncle Ega, hindi dahil kay Kuya Remar. So yung una-unang inidolo ko na sa AAA pala, sa Mercedes. So, yun lang. Yun na yung pinaka-early memories na naranasan ko sa kanya. And then, latter part ito na, tuwing ako, he just make sure na magkikita kami tuwing fiesta, tuwing magbabakasyon ako sa Pilipinas, may konting inuman. And the last time na sinabi mo pa sa akin noon, February 28, pagkikita pa tayo ngayon, April. Yun lang.
Magsusunod naman po na magsasalita ay si Roy.
kuya kasi ito yung babatok sa akin kapag bumbong na mama ko, ginagawa ko ng pagkaguan. Nagkakilala sa akin. Itong mga uling, pupunta sa akin. Dahil sa problema niya ngayon. Yung mga bagay na akin ngayon, sa akin kasi na hindi ko talaga mapanood anong gagawin. Pagtuloy niya sa babae. Ito siya mga sa Balara, wala na yung pera pamasahan. Pauwi dito sa Laguna. Lumapit siya sa matanda. Kasi wala talaga yung pamasahan. Okay. Tapos nasanda niya yung relo niya. Awa sa akin. Bago nung gawin niya, magkachat pa kami. Sabi niya, okay na nga siya. Wala na siyang pakiramdam. May usapan pa kami nila ko yung Steve ng mga gagawin pag pili ko niya. Hindi na namin ko gagawin. Wala na ako text pagka may mga problema. Ito lang ang yun, nakakaitin sa akin.